just gone by a commodity course so enra mrashe bedwafiem ad hoc committee ya mrashe bedwafiem chiamehene atise onye nhwemu emfamfa tape bi ebeto dwa ese a police fo bi ene former NPP Northern Regional Chairman Bugri Nabu ekotwenko no opeko betimi anam so bi atu IGP Dr. George Akufudampare efri nakonya so ese police sahene ehon komodie na akoso na motese eya owura Bugri Nabu akwaje atumusi ampa tape no komodi bi oso bia no no kra yakwa amaso na ye ne a member of the ad hoc committee on kwade say MP di ma ne hye wa west ekotwe enkomo no nyamfo Peter Tobu ona wote ye kam wa cha no pay eba bedwam dwumadie so
mina ba cha mejo so mpom de sai
ka upeja ne kakra ma me ona bo
mina ba cha me ho ya pa no mpom de sai
okay eti ma ye misa enura enkomo twetwe ya owura Bugri Nabu enemu bedi ye no as a member of the committee who ne say what's also please ne so crapping
Pastor Medasi, my fa kwanya wins na menchia tiefo na pena. Me nchira ma dwen tiefia mamo. Me say committee started last Friday and I invited our prime witness. Prime witness the paramount chief of Namor traditional area. Our former MPP Northern Regional Chairman and now a council member, Chief Bugri Nabu. Friday no antimamba and Osman the lawyer for Chura committee man America kra. Ana yemanu mrese enra Monday ombra. And now they say yo and obai on any lawyers by on the peer committee na nim. Me am chairman Honorable Atacha and I'm the vice chairman Honorable James Agalda. Editi pimpim one is okay. The simple thing is that tape and the matter. The material in question is tape. So yambo tape no be on TV. There be some questions. So about tape na ma tape no ko see. And e be some chief ani ya utie o si o eya mi amene mamu ha mo ade no mi angasa na me record here. And I think that the first line of duty I want to authenticate the tape and I validate the tape no. Okay. I want to take it and checked. The tape has been validated, it has been authenticated for that matter, and no cry woman say I feel na baba sha say so yes I say hwemu no and e be some questions. Okay. And the question be a bit on piano. Oh, ye question no according to me only say no cry. And on the lawyer for Mudi na Chibakra, obi there was not even a single minute that you interrupted my client. No.
Okay.
Or kasa freely for the period of time I yet na when you could see it. Obi na ya dana say na discharge no. So me say no in summary na could see it.
So can we say committee no more so far encouraged by anu ye owura Bugri Nabu edema no
me pacho committee juma mo de man say yanko hwehwem first of all tape na no kre say no kre so dia na ma ekukom na ye security related matters mo hwehwem ye na mo nya recommendations say sanctions kwa mo recommend sanctions say recommendation about my system na system abeboa internal security ya ma recommendation na mboa so a very serious matter here so the first witness and the prime witness so ba na say oh tape na no kre we kra na me record here I think that all of us were happy. Yes, sir. I did we Ghana because sometimes your committee of inquiry say na obi if you are not correct that no their far a hygiene. But also your in it. Oh no, me chan tranje he. Ni oka yen nyina ko si no. If is a committee a be door from my if is a enchebia judgment with a bit matter akwa.
As a former police officer, who admitted sa niema e wo tape ne so any ehubua na de back Ghana from one kasa so oyam hyewo or admission or admit ye no
me pacho me dase or admit ye no me kai the first interview me ma on this matter me say I don't believe say a police officer wet his salt be kwakwa kan ne me tie ye no me ngindi ebia na AI generated artificial intelligence connection bi na aba
okay
by nra I was gumi obi na no ka say oh no cre. And a second, me cry me record here. Me see me trashy. And I'm saying, hey, Ghana, Yamimboy. But and also no credit I see the troops shall set you free. No credit at the end of the day, I think that internal security will be free and more effective. And I also think that at the end of the day, no, Dr. George Akufudampare NND me the IGP.
Yeah.
IGP Akunya Nankasano, a home beba, Nyambeba Akunyano. So that's the reason why because Dr. George Akufu Dampare Asem, IGP Asem and Ayaka. On a tia kunyosi here. And I can tell as a matter of fact, in every country, the IGP Akunyo no fear. Obi a security person be best right and say Badwam Mpensenpensemu. Because any nipa na otiso no. Akunyo no obu who fees here, what no be abetena so.
Yeah.
Na kano. So we fight as much as we can to ensure say na Akunyo no there, it will remain a very credible Akunyo. Obi abetena so na otuma sum Ghana yi.
Honorable, asemu a nipa bebreta kan say eba ad hoc committee a o ma wie nkonkosi aga o ma wie ne enkosi hwe o hwe mo committee adwuma a mo start the nura ya mo ye ya so because enkosi hwe a oni nipa kwa be ya adwen
ba jame dase nipa no de obi atimi kira na adwen ba ne meka ne say parliament aboma my referral under the signature of speaker say committee we mon kwa hwe we mo we are recommendation na mo ye binya mo fam beto parliament me here sa report no first week e be first week na me here sa report ye be adwuma ye the report no be ko ye be bobo ho parliament ye we are parliament nanka say the state member our position the position ni ba we na say Ghana for say omunti and I say o mampani say onti a say ye dey ye adwuma.
It is so
democracy mo na way
it wo as a former
sorry
it wo as a former police officer and now why MP e Badwam Mpensenpensemu a wonim hu be okra de na wo ben former IGP ye pa what will be your expectation after modwuma amoye?
It is not about my expectation, it's about what the facts will say. At the end of the day you gather facts in you analyze it, you draw conclusions. Conclusion is the bano and you never deny recommendation. So it's not about me being better. Ya tata bomwa ebe boy ma ya nya din bia ebe boa Ghana no.
Okay.
Ho e true a met match na margin. But see ya because eguzu hwe mu ide. Let's not jump the gun.
Ora mi jaw amwako ebi mo advice say Dr. George Akufu Dampare say because of some commodity o take be akono akra and resign for the security and the safety entia. O no be share sa adwenchire.
Well, so much resign because of the safety and security.
Yeah.
IGP resign I say in Nigeria pre-crom because the IGP on only safety and security don't resign. Me know he na be ko. Say me know say we are afraid of our safety and security. He na yanko. I don't advise and I don't think that that's because when him say we are a national security position and them IGP.
Yeah.
Okra won dimi surround the pan go catch the president and person resign. Person resign for president catch us the master chimana me dey ma no. Obeye. You can't try it. What are you talking about? What I can say resign.
All right, better start pay. Yeah, that's what you're branding actually come on pay.
Nothing.
But I'm just saying that come on a Marashibe January show Wild West or your former police officer Sanso and Abejokua. Honorable Samuel Atachia Eda no more share Bugina Boo a tape Pia Monteno or can't sabe your hubi. And then and Comono. Someone can say former MP for Ablekuma Central. Yeah, what's a be a man for Boagen so say ya ton ye color TV ya top black and white. Sabaji and BMU Beneza. Nate Ewa Hadam. So the former MP for Busa North, Honorable Timothy. I would trim and so what go there? Former MPs.
Association.
What if you are?
Oh. My main chair, yeah, for na main chair me constituency for. Yeah, sometimes the utnasi na ushe ni ekoso ewo parliament.
Okay.
Na kumpon share wichi. Na ushe u bibetama na wo hosana nyama ekoso a. Sometimes no ema ofi efi ho. Then secondly, no, so we share what you are able to use your position for as an MP.
Okay.
At the Bawo constituency. Now, unamo constituency no more. Now, question our constituency in Sutia. And so now, I wish I'm still there. So, in fact, maybe I would me feel your power is when this particular session of Parliament, the 8th Parliament.
Oh, okay.
Omunya Edim Papa.
Yeah.
There have been so many issues. From the swearing in of the speaker, and in fact, almost every session they will go, there's an issue. So we share with here. when you were there before Wu, before Mpenifo, in fact, and when you make the comparisons from 96 up to now who say, oh, Charlie, there's a problem.
There's a problem with the 8th Parliament.
Oh, yes. I mean,
quality number form.
Oh, not in terms of quality, no, but in terms of Nyama Echo. So, but sometimes people also believe that it's because of the way Anama is no etie.
Quality no the way cracker was Joe Wise. I said the quality now, the Parliament now, I
am not undermining the integrity and the reputation of anybody.
Okay.
But the point is, to be honest and sincere with you, when me share yenye time, our 7th Parliament, and I look at the first timers from both sides, both NDC and MPP, the first timers who share the enthusiasm, who share almost every time you get people on the floor to either make a statement, make some contribution to a statement, or debate on each. But this time around, no, so who share the first timers, now backbenchers, no, and they compare presently, yenye time, no. Now they compare and say, oh, just a few of them. And no more say, a friend is saying, the charisma, no somebody debate or somebody statement. Just a few of them compared to your whole number. Yeah, time, no, for that time, no, that first time is no endorse on both sides. So both obia per se or to me a BB, obia per se or contribute, obia per se to me a statement, obia per se do debater. I mean, want to be involved in whether sessional address and I say budget or anything. Sure. And you can see at that time too, most of the questions are a bar on the ministers about a year and on piano. Majority now if you first timers no. And a bisa, what are you going to do in my constituency? When I'll be sometimes no who share who said there's a bit.
Yeah. 150.
Let me also say me chair a chef for. And a tier for the chairman, and a chair chakra. Now, me chairs and then the hard working team of your cameramen. Then beyond that, I'm saying, then I'm a first time on this platform, especially.
They're saying, so you're born so.
Yes. And first of all, we have a former MPs association. Oh, okay. We do have it.
Okay.
So it's not by coincidence that the two former MPs are here. The difference is about no government, about opposition. And also no, and I am their PR.
Okay.
We have the president, the secretary, and so on.
Okay.
But like he has said, it all nina egum. But there's also one thing to that as a member of parliament and as a senior public servant. Okay. You went to parliament with some objectives. We call parliament. They said near maybe a hard constituency now. We feel say omo do ko honoma e be den obetima aboa ama sa niam no ma resolve na so okona say you are still wo sa niam no finfin ye adwuma no na so omo yiwa sometimes yes a constituency no omo mpe wasemo
okay
constituency because omo nye delegate to retain you are not an independent MP until you need the support of your delegates and the constituency. Sometimes no one year human we na constituency no TH no compare where jumano said dear wabe take over from you and even previous ones now will take over from no one say wa ma US channel now we bo modern po asin nipa na and come cast or bo modern there ba o mo no be bo ha be cash say oh yeah sorry ekasa anka wo na ho anka say ensi anka yenye we na wo ho no po na project we na wo ye wan wie na wo gya ho call no still sa project be bi agina na ho na gina
okay
nti ne fisa wo ba obetima trap projects no amana de sempa aba ho no nti no it's a whole issue but it encompasses beyond that no, we are human beings and we have the one say we want to serve the people. So anytime you want to seek the mandate of the people, you still do that. Then you go and continue with your good jobs.
Quality now your war parliament is saying and drop it.
Yes, for the quality, say the million and kind normally depends. The issues are many government net doors. But if you look at the quality of the debate, yes, every parliament won a caliber of people they brought there. And the understanding of the issues and be able to and I said other correct. Yes, the quality can, but I think that it's not bad. We can improve on it. by training and other skills of debate and so on. Especially so we share in a nationalistic aspect, you're able to talk better than all the time you are partisan. It makes your argument weaker and weaker by the day because when our parliament, when our abayamo, when our do manifesto about a manifesto you should be they should said they would the boma among for there should be some humility on your part to accept that yes, but better be a partisan the government in power, their argument will be always weak and to defend and so on. But I think that we can improve it better. So I know the yes, minimum and about quality. Or more leadership, no more car. Into no, a more beyond Magiano, former business, bet na hand, you condemn it. So this thing is mandating from the leadership.
So happy birthday, Encore Efama Ranchum Berima, and then when you're 11 years. Oapa lawyer Chumberema, member of the NDC National Communications Team. I say, wish you all the best. Nyami enshita no nyo kese, kopim se obeye kese pa. So Junior, happy birthday, Encore F. Masanso, and happy birthday, Encore F. My CEO and my state housing company. Virus, and your birthday. You are +1 today. And then when you're 23 years. So happy birthday, Virus. Mo any adjuma woye edma Ghana. Wajuma woye ne so na so ododuo enso any eyepa. Amen.
Sir.
Meba wama yedi nkomo started from the Nkwatia Presby Senior High School here assistant headmaster no. Yeah, na you relieving off his position because of akwada akwakobo no. Enti uso ehebedwam. Me dey akwasensia. Meba yesi. Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119. Sanso na benya bi ahwe enso e YouTube, follow me so e Facebook akwasi ensia we hwe bi enso honom. Amen.
Yeah.
Bugri na abu admitting say nokre recording no ensembi osu bie nwa eyentro enye cutaway paste bia na paste wo no kresa amanfo ba menchen se omo bobpa koka kire mampani se yempam IGP because se owo honum a NPP ntimi break the 8 e shock you
Jamami before I be ba bugu na bo asem no me pese me ka Akwitia Akwitia Senior High School assistant head teacher Nyamonia waye. In fact, enra and me kind story no.
Okay.
And I was me who dreamy in a sense me share akwala ninia. In fact, before na me kind story no. Na me who akwala ni na I was thinking say bia because of your ban ebia or pono ho na ebia nti me am you student you say na opo wenim but later so let me read the story. So Miko kind story no assistant head teacher beats students without getting their friends exact. And I was like, there is maybe kind the details of it. So I asked myself, so utumi bu obi ba to that extent. I'm not saying say my mbu nkola no school, but now even GS ko apodi aba say sa abuna e bu nkola no yenjai. But my main problem no was the state of akwala no nenim no any neni. So to be honest and be sincere with you, say obi wo ho a anase ye bo empire de ba kwa ye ka che ye ho anase be mi se bebre na bia ye physically challenge na se bi oye ni freni he would preferred to be obi ane nan anane nsa ye ne ya echen neni because nyame pengu. But let's assume say wo fie na eja eishi eja ba na ebia sebi bachomo fancheme eni freni wo fi ho obi asebi oye bubu ani e wo fi ho obi abia ne nsa ana physically challenged bia bi wo ho na obi so obi onye physically challenged person. I can tell you say no matter how the situation is no you try to run for your life.
Sure. That's not about dream. So when you're
down, say fasata. And sana, ubedwin omo including any training.
Yeah.
So you can imagine obi a sebi nani hu ade. Na owo situation bi mu and na sebi o twa kwan mu. Dey be make say those physically challenged people no eye nyame and a bomb ho ban. But to extend say obi ba ubebu no the sense use unya aban fam bu akola no at that time. So o de wonsa and in the naming the nearest na no atai moja. Because honestly, if it has not been moja, I can't get to do.
Sure.
I want a near say. You see, I will just make a passionate appeal. Decision taken by GES.
Okay.
They should go according to that.
Okay.
Number sansu asre ye amanyo for. We may fa politics. Enkoshim. They be make say the politics eshe memua. And I yet to be kun assembly from the beginning.
Yeah.
Because Ushe Aqualana, I'm just praying. Said doctors are Eshe Aqualano. Bet me actually Aqualano will gain her sight.
Okay,
just
sorry.
As it is.
And no, I'm Dr. Nia Walshan and Dr. Mpensenpensemu. I was a Showman Community Hospital. On his one door, Nenino. Now, or say after so motion and it's no matter detect beam so yes and so. And so when you issue kakra na small because of the we are born. ATMs also no we are as on na kwakoma EF no akoma ENT for no mo so akwakohwe na so na hu kwa be fa so ebetime but say any the at least for now no as a age na so kakra kan man be say within some few days no he believes say akra betime asa agina na so pa ebiba after that no also call ENT no mo kohwe na so no enso Dr. Mpensenpensemu nyamkopo nsim shirawo
is it we ohun I feel a new. Yeah. Until I see a can waso a.
E kan na kan waso.
Na kan waso. Because the two no e work it together.
Sure.
And then you see ni and then aso. We might not know the next thing that Dr. Betway added 30 amaye amaye.
Yeah.
And for me, I want to make this passionate appeal. Let's deal with the issue just as it is. Secondly, I want to say thirdly, a good counselor for the girl.
Yeah.
I'll bet to me in akasa.
And the GS for a to one among.
Yes. Yeah. I bet to me in akasa. The parents also need to get involved.
Sure.
No money, more encouraging. And I'm just praying. Say we only SS3. I'll prepare for the exams. And you know, we need to get all these things done. But the mean catch at all. Ubekomu enye zizo aba exit akola na anya exit odi apia about you ubekomu enye exit akola na den
anya ne keke
e bia da chiche no pe kwase abrabe o person akola na bo na akola na man kwan so let me take advantage of say waji exit that you odi pa hwe ubekomu
na be bisa
it will be different thing altogether. It will not be exit asem kra It's make sure o misan kan why be misan kan on there and then me be shame wo and now they go in the no.
It's so sad. It's so sad.
Very sad.
Yes.
Very, very. So I'm just praying. Say akola no hu beto no.
Yeah.
Na so no e beto no.
Yeah.
Ne ni no so there will not be any other implication health where be ha akola no.
Sure.
Then she should go back and steady.
Yeah.
Na bibi akoso ye e di amano.
Dr. Eric Nkansa, GS director say I go see, tell my former honorable MP, we are in charge.
And that's it.
Be okay. Doctor, very good morning to you. Yeah, that's why you read that or share that of plenty. GS boss say Otmu Etuan Mopo say Entina Way Regional Director of Education. So only a 753 district for instance.
Correct.
Now on one take charge.
That's true.
And making sure say baby at me every year. Honorable team.
Yeah, I say me there. It's sad. We share girl in the picture, but most importantly, the Minian can Mejiso is 100%. I agree with him. But you see, a lot of challenges are in our secondary schools, especially on Korana and the Bano. We show me ages, they are in their tender ages. Bimpoko around 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, mreso I na ye nyina ansa na grow. Some come to school even after 20 years and so on. This anema we na me katam the number I was in form 1. I saw my senior exchanging blows with my master, brilliant master and so on. Now Korana odi abana and one or master bit me exchange in terms of this. And if you're a teacher, me part the chrepa, so because rather I teach, you understand. And I know a lot that is going on. Mebano, one of the secondary schools in Kumasi, one of the boys' secondary schools. Wa catch them near me, or one catch them, one school students, number, or no mamma, bedi assembly. No, say, or catching man and come, I mean, take.
Okay.
And that is what most of the students, they don't want their fathers to hear what is happening to them because they know a reaction to issues, is different from their mothers and so on. It was later on I got to know even the assaults are students. And their fellow students because they are seniors now is serious. Look, it's a big time matter. What they are, South school now, mama master they will move all the second year students to a different block and make the teachers be sitting there to protect them. That is even from student to student. And that is what we expect teachers to do. Now, say, even if the child went out without an S yet that we are talking about, the child is a second year student.
Yeah.
Your teachers must know their students and know the stubborn ones and know the throw. Jumping walls, it's simple to verify. One am I yet? It's either your headmistress or your headmaster. Your housemaster or your housemistress. Yeah. It's simple. You go and verify, and you know, so that you know not what year to say what G S yet now and then not to take an S yet is not this. Look, the psychological impact, the trauma.
But the question is, honorable. For this case, assistant headmaster and
it goes beyond that. The students maybe the teacher on D2 will simply punish the child.
Yeah.
Or
another housemaster.
Another housemaster, if they'll just say, look, you are the punishment for going out.
The latter part.
You see, but I would not, as a teacher too, I would not say that cane should be avoided strictly. It corrects them in a way. I've seen what I've seen within this past years that I've done, I know that. But to fiscally, this is an assault too. Yeah. It's not to correct, but to punish.
To use your
hand. And to injure. To use your hand. Look at it, the child. You see, so GS have done well, but I also plead that the GS should look at the from all angles. The second should not be the best. Best as it's the same point discussing. Well, no, said the one no a punishment night by man fiscally or sacking.
But we must, sir, at the way, sir, teacher near bonne waha. Into your transfer from school A to school B. And yeah, no, na encourage sir and near because I've told him, say, me they are the worst form of say, you better transfer me. A be as a mukrume imako in crooked to him. But so why you born in us and pass why bonny? I just say bonny. I didn't hear transfer no because you bonny dear.
I said bonny dear. It depends. Say that's my first time. Even court on power, it's a first time offender. That's what I'm saying. They use the GS rules. They should look at it holistically. Okay. They can interview Sana's assistant headmaster in a tier. Or yes, my brother's brother. Is that how the students they know, the teachers know. They can go further. They almost a lot of disciplinary actions against teachers. They should not be over-pushed because maybe a public we are discussing it and this thing. It has happened. It can even happen to its own. For me, they should go according to their own guidelines. But I think that to sack him, also on Kwara, sometimes we have to look at it.
No, but
I get it.
The point is that you see, any institution, be a wobia. So be a BBA. Now, is it a disco? Yeah. And Augustine.
A disco, yeah.
When is it not the senior house master net? And so you're in that no. Yeah, in that the head teacher, any the assistant, because Nipa is still sure musuno.
The house master.
So if wako abonting, when G Eziat, the first point of call is to call the house mistress. Eba ni sen asimesi we epie.
Yeah.
And 1G eziat. If you know why na assist your friend's house master and house mistress no every report man.
Yeah.
You deal with that person too. Yeah. Before you even come to you.
The headmaster or the
because who you penny cra. So on mo na say on mo deal because on mo na who penny no. Who dey akola na dey asho won sa. It is say I will be eba anywhere.
Yeah.
They will not come and ask your friend say
the headmaster.
Yeah. It is you the assistant headmaster or the house mistress no and the be frel. Asimesi wo hefa. Then they see wo hanom.
Yeah.
But who penny no mo no what take down about a form abegu hu fi e wo ho. As GS director na aka no, I applaud them for the good work that they are doing. Yeah. But I want to beg them again say they should see to it say region for no so ebeye de say we dey now come about say you do a transfer call a different place we are the same thing. You see, it is not only in teaching. Any government institution, sometimes people feel that transfer is a punishment.
Yeah.
But it's not. It be now responsibility and I say the can make another change in certain places.
Yeah.
As I saw for.
Yeah.
Now no say me so for chanka you didn't call your friend and say Bawi, you transfer if you. Most of us are not happy. But president yeah. So you have to go. So obi wo ha me honestly I don't agree with Timothy latter pastor on so on ma. So on ma on you obi basa.
Yes, it has happened. That's what I said.
Yes. But at the end of the day he also need to be punished.
Yes, I am saying that should be punished, but it should not be sacked. Yes.
I'm telling you.
No,
you don't know. Yes, akwana waye dey so here. But if you have even asked, your friend is saying, we are not even, I'm not giving judgment.
Yeah.
But if you are, if that say was required.
Yeah, titi bisa, but because of GSA,
but it's because of playing the one.
Yeah.
Or work into the facts. But
as a teacher, you should know your students.
Oh, and you can see say boa akola no so no enye say bia wa bu ne baako because danka wa bu ne baako anka de nim na ende enye so don't put ball obi nim pa
mo mi asa hwe akola no picture no
honorable intinam ka say as a teacher you should know your students. Some of the students are stopped. They can always jump walls and go. You see Amanda, you see you should know your students. Do ni mo na say this girl onye sana at least you should know, you should temper your anger with no nano and no chese man kasa ma mo punish no.
Okay.
Me say but absolute sack no I don't think it's the same. Na kasa ono but it's true. No. But he has done the wrong thing. But he should be punished according to the GS rules and so on. It could even be a demotion. It could be anything. Even the cost of treatment because government will take you take it. They are all punishment. They can reduce you in rank and so on and so forth. Then we'll move forward. But the mechanics say we have to look at the holistically.
Yeah.
Near simple solution to the problem. So I am not in any way saying that they shouldn't punish, but sometimes let's look at the whole issue and then hear from his side too before we take a final decision on the matter. Yeah.
But that
is your opinion. Yeah. I don't have any problem with that. So, but sack has not really resolved matters in this part.
Maybe be a say so and so a year. Ebianka assistant and near maybe because
we've sacked so many people. Anas principally our the chief judges. The judges on the allegations on them still engaging in corruption. They just stop the judges from taking corruption.
But maybe be a for now.
I'm not in any way against. But
those judges now palm but say no to be there.
They're being cancer, but this the ultimate aim
bring some sanity in the institutions.
The ultimate aim is to stop judges from taking bribe.
To stop or reduce.
Or any of those things. The ultimate, and that's why Crown is risking the life.
Have you given a bribe to a judge before?
No, I've never even gone before a judge. In fact, I went before a judge once. I'm a Shrag investigator.
Okay.
I've been with Shrag for 10 years as an investigator. Now I call judge in because the man I was pursuing the issue against, or the case in court, and now call file lawyer, And the woman had no lawyer. And I was forced that time, I wasn't a lawyer, but I was forced to go with the woman because the woman was even an illiterate woman from our place. I know about 2. That was the first time. So there was no judge. And luckily to not judge, he empathized with me.
Okay.
Nipa na me call, me no call ya lawyer too.
Yeah.
The man, but I'm a all the cabinet. I
say, so say, yeah, my boys, Edisika, because boys are brave. But I just said from Monday throughout the week, Echo in a game park, Eba Walker. Bebraso, say, be the draw for ne and up a game park up next.